Hi guys, hi, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how I got my kinky hair to look like this. This is going to be very simple. I'm going to list the products that I use down below, and I'm going to show you as well as we go along, I'll show you the process as I go along. So welcome back to my channel. This is first video 2021, and I'm hoping to do more videos and gain more subscribers. So I want to make this very consistent. I hope you guys are gonna be my supporters. You'll share my videos, you're gonna watch, and I promise you 2021 we're gonna make loads and loads of videos. So stay tuned for this video. I'm going to show you how I got this hairstyle and how I got my hair looking like this, even though it's kinky natural hair, no gel. So stay tuned and follow me throughout the process. Okay, this is a very highly requested video. I'm not just saying, but yeah, a lot of my friends have asked me to do this kind of video. Most of them have been wondering how I get my hair lying flat and looking so much as though it's been relaxed. So that is the aim of this video today. I'm just gonna show you what products I use to get the hair lying flat and what magic is involved, because this hair is very natural. It's kinky African Afro hair, so a lot has got to be done for it to lie flat. As you can see, there's no way I can comb this hair, yeah, just like that. There has to be some kind of magic. Okay, so I will show you all the products that I'm using, but before that I'm going to wash this hair with a shampoo as usual. So stay tuned and don't go away. I'm gonna wash my hair with a normal Tresemme shampoo, and then I'll leave this in conditioner, and so just as usual, and then I'll be back to show you the next process. Okay, currently I've got this on this hair now. See how soft it is. Leave it in for about just so it can relax. You see, very soft. So whilst the hair is still got conditioner, you know, try and comb it, because it's much easier to comb with the conditioner, because the conditioner is meant to soften your hair. See, I can comb it now without any problem. See? See? That's the whole point of the conditioner. And then, whilst you still got conditioner, I'll start to comb it backwards, just like that. See, like that. Trying to get it all together to make a ponytail. Just see, I'm trying to make a ponytail. Go like that. That's how you do it. See how soft it is. But I can only do this whilst I got conditioner. So, and then tie the hair together whilst with the conditioner, just like that. See? So leave it in for a while, at least 5 minutes. When you have conditioner on your hair, it gives you the ability to comb your hair and put it together the way you want it. Otherwise, soon as you wash your hair, it shrinks and it's so hard to put it together. So this is just a trick to help you gather it together nicely. So I'm gonna rinse this hair off, then I'll show you the next process. So just rinse it off until you don't feel slippery. If you feel it's not slippery anymore, you just rinse it. You know that the conditioner is finished on it. So the hair is washed. I've shown you how you rinse it out. You will find that the hair, it's not all gone in. You see, still very rough on the edge. So you have to do this whilst your hair is still very wet. So use a nice flat comb like that and just comb it. First of all, I'll use the and last but not least is this one here. I think this is the magic to this hair lying down flat. I'm going to list all these products below so you don't miss out, in case you didn't see properly. So you spray this, just spray it all over your hair generously. Okay, comb again. Then you have to tie this hair for around 2 hours, or not. If you have a dryer, be less than that. You can keep checking on it. So I'll tie this hair around tightly. Tie around. And last but not least is to dry this hair. Then leave it like that for about an hour or so. I'll be back. Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? So we've had this on for about, well, I've extended really 3 hours now. You could have it shorter than that, covered tightly. If you like 2 hours, 1 hour, it's up to you really. You can use the dryer if you haven't got time and it's something very quickly you need to go and do. So let us see the results. Ta-da! 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 Can you see? Yeah, so this is how it looks at the moment. Flat, looks very refreshed and ready. Because this video was mainly to use not use gel at all. So all you need, and I think the most important one is this one here, hairspray. But the reason why I've chosen coconut one is because I'm sure by now you all know that coconut retains moisture. So whatever you use, whether you're using coconut oil for your body, coconut oil for your hair, so coconut is mainly, its main advantage is that it locks in moisture. Okay, so that's why I specifically bought coconut hairspray, but I think you can use whichever hairspray you want. It doesn't matter, just a hairspray. Okay, but I'm not sure if the others work as good. this, I'm almost running out of this one here, so I'll try another type of hairspray and see if it works just the same. So the most important is you use this one like I've shown you before, and then ta-da! So if you want to glam up a little bit, you can put extension. So this is how I put my extensions. Go like that. Yeah, just like that. And then you need to hide this corn here. So how you do that is, I like my extension to be on the side like that, but you can have it at the back. So what you do, you bring another extension and you pass it round. And just pass it around like that, and it's going to cover the bottom, you see. So that's how you do. You use something else to cover. And then when you're done, use a bobby pin to secure it. Voila! All done. So this is how you get your kinky hair to look just as good as though it has been relaxed. Okay, so I hope this video was helpful, was useful. If you need more clarification, just text me down below, and please show some support. Share this video with your friends, make comments, yeah, and I'll be doing more videos in the near future. Yes, so thank you all for watching. I hope it was very, very useful. And I shall see you in my next video. Bye for now. Bye.